Hello guys, have you guys ever seen a big sign and wonder how it's made? If you do, this video will be helpful to you. This is Huycnc factory of Huycnc Production, Trading, and Advertising Company. Limited is a leading company in Vietnam, specializing in the production and supply of advertising products and related services. With the motto, "We don't compete on price, but on quality and service," the company committed to creating long-lasting and sustainable value for its customers while also emphasis on improving the customer experience through professional and dedicated service. After years of operation, the company has grown in both size and profit. The company not only creates standard advertising products but also designs custom solutions to optimize brand promotion. With modern production lines and skilled personnel, Huycnc ensures its products meet international standards and align with the latest market trends. Based on the information we found out, we are able to make a bar chart representing the growth of the company. In the first years of its operation, the factory generated a growth of 11% in revenue and profit from 1,275,200 in 2018 to 1,418,663 in 2019. But the number dropped in the period during the COVID-19 pandemic by 57% to 602,962 in 2020. After that, the growth continued from 30% from 2021 to 2022 and remained stable at 9% since. The standard operating procedure, SOP, of this manufacturing operation demonstrates a sophisticated and meticulously structured workflow that encompasses every stage from initial customer contact through final delivery. The process begins at the foundational level with customer needs assessment, flowing through the contact business office where initial requirements are documented and clarified. The manufacturing phase exhibits a particularly noteworthy level of complexity and flexibility, branching into three distinct but parallel pathways, each designed to accommodate different production requirements. The first pathway involves metal carving, which leads to a molding process resulting in specialized non-metal parts. The second pathway utilizes advanced laser cutting technology, progressing through flat piece production and welding stages. The third pathway employs CNC machining, representing the most technologically advanced production route. The processing stage serves as a crucial convergence point for all three production pathways. This stage is particularly significant as it harmonizes the outputs from the various production routes into a unified final product. The subsequent quality control testing phase plays a vital role in maintaining product integrity through a binary satisfaction assessment. Products meeting quality standards proceed directly to customer delivery, while those falling short are efficiently redirected back through the processing stage for necessary refinements. Moving to the fishbone diagram, another critical issue is the lack of investment in modern technology. Huycnc reliance on outdated machinery restricts its ability to adopt automation or modular production methods. This highlights the urgent need for technological upgrades to stay competitive. The revenue stream exhibits significant volatility, characterized by pronounced seasonal fluctuations with notably decreased earnings during summer months contrasted against heightened demand at year's end. This irregular revenue pattern creates financial planning difficulties and impacts the company's ability to maintain stable operations throughout the year. The production method employed by Huycnc demonstrates considerable inefficiencies that ripple through their entire operation. Their current work-by-order system, combined with slow manufacturing command execution, indicates a reactive rather than proactive approach to production management. Workforce management emerges as another critical area of concern, with staffing levels particularly inadequate during peak seasons. However, this challenge presents a potential opportunity for modernization through the implementation of robotic automation for certain tasks. The environmental constraints facing the company are particularly impactful, with factory layout limitations and space restrictions creating significant operational bottlenecks. These physical constraints affect everything from workflow efficiency to storage capacity, ultimately impacting the company's ability to scale operations during high-demand periods. The material storage requiring substantial floor space while also suffering from delivery delays that can cascade into production disruptions. The insufficient machine capacity during peak seasons directly contributes to production bottlenecks, while the noted absence of safety signage raises concerns about workplace safety standards and regulatory compliance. This combination of capacity constraints and safety concerns not only affects current operations but could also pose risks to future growth and regulatory compliance. Additionally, the seasonal nature of their business adds another layer of complexity to these challenges. The company must manage resources efficiently enough to maintain profitability during slower periods while having sufficient capacity to meet increased demand during peak seasons. The decision-making matrix for Huycnc company reveals critical insights into their operational priorities and performance. With cost weighted at 30% and both efficiency impact and scalability at 20%, the matrix emphasizes financial and operational considerations. Management emerged as the top performer with a score of 845, showing particular strength in cost management, scalability, and implementation ease. The metrics suggest that Huycnc should prioritize investment in management systems and materials handling while working to enhance environmental efficiency. This quantitative analysis provides a clear roadmap for strategic decision-making, highlighting areas of strength to leverage and opportunities for improvement. The new SOP incorporates enhanced safety features that significantly improve workplace safety protocols. The addition of warning symbols, warning at critical process points, and an SOS indicator for emergency situations demonstrates a stronger commitment to worker protection. The process flow has been optimized to create a more efficient production line. The workflow now features clearer directional arrows and a more streamlined connection between the processing and testing stages. The logical grouping of related activities has eliminated unnecessary steps and reduced transition times between processes, contributing to the 10% reduction in production time. Quality control has been strengthened through strategically placed checkpoints throughout the production process. The addition of a first-piece verification stage and enhanced testing procedures helps identify potential issues earlier in the production cycle. Documentation procedures have been streamlined with clearer paths for document control and a better defined connection to the business office. The more structured approach to processing documentation reduces administrative overhead while maintaining proper record keeping. The new SOP showcases significant advancements. The optimized process flow now reduces production time by 10%, which means that products can be manufactured and delivered more swiftly without compromising quality. Clearer connections between the processing and testing stages have been established, eliminating unnecessary steps that previously hindered efficiency. In addition, the streamlined process flow and improved quality control measures contribute to lower production costs by minimizing rework and waste. The total cost per product is reduced from nearly 20% as a result, making the production process more cost-effective. Let's look at the executive dashboard. There is a clear annual cycle in profits, with periodic peaks and troughs, possibly due to seasonal demand or other recurring factors. Despite fluctuations in absolute profits, the profit margin continues to grow, indicating improved efficiency, cost management, or pricing strategies over time. While the overall trend is generally upward, some minor fluctuations can be observed within individual years, with periods of more rapid increases occurring around 2021 to 2023. This consistent rise in cost may be attributed to factors such as increased operational needs, aging infrastructure, inflation, or an expanded scope of maintenance activities. The revenue, represented by the blue line, shows steady growth, reflecting consistent business performance. The profit, represented by the orange line, also increases but with more fluctuations, likely due to seasonal factors or cost variations. Despite these fluctuations, profit growth is significant by the end of the observed period. The gap between revenue and profit suggests effective cost management, as the gap does not widen substantially. The production units, represented by the blue line, show a fluctuating trend with several peaks and troughs, ultimately increasing over time and reaching its highest point near the later data points before stabilizing or slightly decreasing. In contrast, the labor hours, indicated by the orange line, remain relatively stable with only slight variations, suggesting that labor input has not changed significantly despite the fluctuations in production. The production units, represented by the blue bars, show a steady upward trend over the years, indicating consistent growth in output. The gradual increase in bar height reflects improvements in production capacity or efficiency. In contrast, the defect rate, shown by the orange line, fluctuates significantly with peaks and troughs, but generally remains below 1.2%, suggesting that defects are being maintained at a manageable level. The production units, represented by the blue bars, have steadily increased over the years, with the highest production observed in 2024 and the lowest in 2018, demonstrating consistent growth in output. Labor productivity, shown by the orange line, exhibits a continuous upward trend from 2018 to 2024, reflecting improvements in efficiency as more output is achieved relative to labor input. The rise in production units aligns with the increase in labor productivity, suggesting that operational improvements, enhanced workforce training, or technological advancements have likely contributed to higher productivity. In the K.P.I model, the company has made notable progress, successfully completing an average of 50 advertising signs per month with an error rate of less than 5%. Additionally, a new CNC machine was installed before December 15, contributing to the company's efforts to upgrade its production capabilities and improve efficiency. From November 1 to December 31, the company achieved a reach of 100,000 through advertising on Facebook and Google, expanding its visibility and engagement. Additionally, 500 advertising emails were sent in November as part of the marketing efforts to promote products and services. The company reached impressive revenue milestones, achieving 1 billion VND in November 2024 and 1.2 billion VND in December 2024. Additionally, the order conversion rate exceeded 20%, reflecting effective sales strategies and customer engagement. The company successfully handled 100% of customer complaints within 24 hours, demonstrating a strong commitment to customer service. Additionally, the satisfaction level achieved during the period from December 15 to December 31 was over 90%, highlighting the company's dedication to maintaining high customer satisfaction. The last part is the grants model is designed specifically for Huycnc company to manage and monitor the progress of activities related to the production of advertising signs during the period of November and December 2024. This is a visual tool that helps to reasonably allocate resources and time for each stage, from recruiting, designing, manufacturing, to marketing and delivery strategies, including human resources, manufacturing, marketing, and other supporting stages. For each activity, a specific implementation time is determined, ensuring flexibility in resource allocation and coordination between departments. The colored progress bars correspond to each activity, allowing the management to easily monitor and adjust the plan when necessary. In addition, this model also emphasizes the importance of time compliance, helping the company optimize work performance and ensure project completion progress, especially during peak seasons at the end of the year. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that we provided you good knowledge about the factory we went to, and see you next time.